Something that's gaining a lot of popularity in the FHC HERC-DOOR rail systems are our new low-profile rail systems. Now it comes in two different sizes. We have our full door rail for top and bottom rails. It's only 2.5 inches wide. You can have it square or tapered. And something that's really gaining a lot of popularity is our 9-inch rail patch. The difference between this and a standard European style patch is it takes all the standard hardware, all the standard attaching brackets and lock systems. You don't have to put any inserts in or get any kind of popping or cracking when you're opening or closing the door. And it gives you a solid fit. It works with our standard one-piece glazing system. So you simply tighten these screws and it locks down all the pressure onto the rail and holds it in place. It's using the same rail that we use on our standard full-size door rail. Again, it's only 2.5 inches high, 9.5 inches wide. So it's about 2 inches wider than a standard European patch, but you're going to get full adjustment because you're using standard hardware. You can adjust it back and forth, up and down, put standard locks in, and again, it's a lot easier to install, much simpler to do all of your adjustments. Comes with all the tools you need to do the installation. Also, something that our HERC-DOOR line has that others don't is we've made the depth of the channel a little bit deeper, enabling you to put in setting blocks if you want to adjust the height of the door. So if you get to the job site and the door is a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch too tall or too short, you can add or subtract a couple of setting blocks, lock it back in, and you're assured you have plenty of grip on the glass. Also, we have our anti-clamshell pad. This is something that we designed in because a lot of customers were asking us to. So if you drop the door hard on the corner or something like that while you're doing the installation, this pad will hit the glass and help prevent a lot of the chipping or clamshelling you can get sometimes when you're installing these doors. Now the low profile doors, again, door rails give you a lot more glass, less metal. They meet all the same standards as a 4-inch or 6-inch or 10-inch rail. You can hang the same style doors. They can be used interior or exterior. And again, the big advantage with our system is you have the unitizing gasket. It's one piece. Then you have standard locks and interior arms and things like that can be used. Makes it much easier to adjust it. And your customers and the installers are going to be much happier if you're specifying or using a 9.5-inch full rail patch. Uses a much simpler cutout. Again, you simply tighten these screws on the bottom and it grips the glass. You're not going to get slipping and things like that over time like you do in some of the European type patches. So again, the HERC-DOOR system, we have our 2.5-inch low profile rails. All of our rails come square or tapered. It can come painted, stainless steel, matte black, any custom color that you might want. And again, we have our 4-inch standard rail, 6-inch rail, 10-inch rail, along with our 1/2-inch brand new patented vertical style.